and welcome all. Today I am here with a very interesting art lesson and it's called stop motion. Stop motion is an animated filmmaking technique where objects or small sculptures or series of illustration, drawing or cartoons are put under a single frame. Photographs are then clicked individually and these photographs are manipulated and controlled in such a way that when the camera runs over, it will appear as if these objects or illustrations are moving freely. For this lesson, all you need is a good storyline and the characters of the storyline. Now watch this video and in the end I will tell you how I have made it and how you can make your own stop motion movie.
All set, ready to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leaving the Earth's orbit.
Incoming, there's a spaceship. I repeat, there's a spaceship. You are on the receiving end. Excuse us. Hey, thanks.
Two minutes to the moon. Roger, copy.
Rocket K has landed, over. Astronaut K is coming out to explore. Finally, mission successful. We did it! Yo!
Sounds you hear in this video are self-made. For example, when the rocket is taking off, it's like when the astronauts are communicating with each other or from the station they are communicating, they are producing sound like no, ready to take off in 5, 4, 3, 2, like this. When the aliens are talking, they are producing sounds like creak, 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 creak. Now here I have manipulated the sound with voice changer. So like these you can produce more noises for your stop motion. Now moving on to the visual part. Here it goes. First, draw all the characters of your story.
Cut these out.
Once your characters are ready, start proceeding with the background. Start drawing all the backgrounds you need in your story. Once everything is ready, first keep the background, then start putting the characters. So your one shot is ready. Take a picture. Now next shot will be ready after moving your characters. Again take a picture. After you have taken, again move a little bit. Like this you will continue with the story. Change of scenario. So you will bring on the second background and again start putting your characters. click picture, then move for the next step. Again click picture, move for the next step. Like this, changing of background will also break the monotony. The third background, the space scene. When the rocket is leaving the earth, so you make the earth, and once the rocket is leaving, now here the shape of the rocket is changing. It's not the same. The previous rocket was this one, now it's this one. Why? When you are seeing the rocket from above, from the aerial view, it will look like this. It's a matter of perspective. In your movie, if there are two characters or multiple characters which needs to move towards each other, make sure that you move both the characters, and while moving it, click photographs continuously. Don't miss out any single shots. So when the final shot will appear, it will look like this. It will look as if the rocket is moving. Now here, to avoid the extra frame, just focus on the story like this. Don't go outside the frame. This is the final scene where the rocket has landed and the astronaut has come out. So in my video, I have shown only this much portion, not the full portion. Similarly, in your stop motion video, the viewer will see only that part or that story which you want to show them. So I hope you have enjoyed this. It's a very interesting topic. Create your own storyline. Put funny noises. Put humor in your story. Be a movie maker.